All right. I don't know what happened, guys. OBS got the notification that OBS had restarted, so not sure why it did that, but it did. I put the link to this live in the comment section of the last live. Okay, this is a card we were getting ready to show. It's a Jordan Addison to 135 going to Trapper. Good looking card. Tunnel Vision. Tunnel Vision, Jordan Addison. Trying to figure out which ones are the autos, but I think this is just a patch. Another 49er. Man, Niners have been hitting in this one. And it's another Debo to 199. Unbreakable Debo Samuel. So not only did we have a Debo auto, which was random, now we've got a Debo patch to go along with it. Niners just keep hitting in this one. All right, let's see what this is right here. Ooh, it's numbered to 25. No way, I think it's another Niner. It's an auto, a Steve Young auto to 25. Lightning strike. My goodness. What is going on with the Niners in this break? Steve Young lightning strike to 25. Let's throw that in an old one touch there. My goodness. Niners never hit. I'm just kidding. They do sometimes. Especially like in leaf products with Montana. But that's wild. Like, they don't usually hit that much in the same break. Steve Young to 25 on the auto. That is crazy. Alright, up next. This one's got some patches in it. Ooh, Achan to 199. It is just a patch, though. Wish that had an auto on it. That's going to Rick. Last card of the break, guys. This should be another auto. It's numbered to 199. Looks like maybe a Patriot. Going to Joe. Bailey Zappi. Magmatic Signatures. So that's a second year Zappi auto. Magmatic Signatures, Bailey Zappi. Attaboy JDT. Goodness. You've been kind of on fire here lately, man. Old Joe's been on fire here lately. Bailey Zappi, Magmatic Auto. Alright, that was kind of a weird break, especially a good one for the Niners. Let's do a recap here. Alright, recap time. We've got the Achan Unbreakable patch. Jordan Addison Pacific. Debo patch. Addison to 135. Jake Moody, and I forgot about him too. Another Niner to 49. Adam Thielen Z-Team. Darius Davis. Jalen Hyatt RPA to 299. Zappi second year auto to 199. Debo auto to 50. And a Steve Young lightning strike auto to 25. Nice hits, Niners. All right, guys. Appreciate the fill on this one. If we get that Elite Extra Edition baseball break filled, I'll be back on here tonight. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks, guys.